Be several different patterns that we could do here. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw in your circles without the letters, and let's see what's happening. So it looks like you would start here, because that's where I see the line start. So we're going to draw from here to here, and which means we're going to skip one circle. Then we go from here to here, and we wouldn't skip any circles. Now we're going to go from here to here, which means we would skip 2 circles, and then we're going to go from here to here, and that would be skipping 1 circle. And then we're going to go here, we would skip 2 circles, and then here we would skip 1 circle, and then here skipping 1 circle. Now another way we could look at this is also going to have when we change directions. So we can go from here to here.